In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix computer clock is wrong in Firefox. If Mozilla Firefox is displaying a message that says your computer clock is wrong, it's usually because the date, time, or time zone on your computer isn't set correctly. Firefox relies on your system clock to verify secure website certificates. When the clock is inaccurate, the browser may refuse to open certain secure websites and display security warnings instead. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to correct your computer's clock and resolve this issue. To begin, close Mozilla Firefox if it's currently open. Next, open your computer's date and time settings. On Windows, you can right-click the clock in the taskbar and choose the option to adjust the date and time. This will open the system settings where you can review your current clock configuration. Once you're in the date and time settings, verify that the displayed date is correct. Make sure the day, month, and year all match the current date. After that, check the current time and ensure the hour and minutes are accurate. Next, review the selected time zone. Even if the date and time appear to be correct, choosing the wrong time zone can still cause Firefox to display security warnings. Select the appropriate time zone for your location, then save any changes if necessary. If your computer supports automatic time synchronization, make sure that option is enabled. Allowing Windows to synchronize the clock automatically helps keep the system time accurate and reduces the chance of certificate-related errors in the future. After enabling the option, wait a few moments for the system clock to update if needed. Once you've confirmed that the date, time, and time zone are all correct, close the settings window and reopen Mozilla Firefox. Visit the website that previously displayed the warning and check whether it now loads normally. In many cases, correcting the system clock immediately resolves the issue. If Firefox continues to display the same warning, open the browser menu, select Help, and then choose About Firefox. The browser will automatically check for updates. If a newer version is available, allow Firefox to update completely and restart the browser before testing the website again. Finally, if the problem still persists after correcting your computer's clock, restart your computer. A restart ensures that all system time changes are fully applied and gives Firefox a fresh start when it opens again. That's all there is to it. Correcting your computer's date, time, and time zone is one of the most effective ways to fix the "computer clock is wrong" message in Mozilla Firefox and restore secure access to websites. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,